Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to turn on dark mode in the Facebook app. Whether you're looking to reduce eye strain, save battery life, or simply prefer a darker aesthetic, enabling dark mode is quick and easy. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, look for the menu icon. This is represented by 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. On Android devices, you'll find it in the top right corner of your screen, while on iOS devices, it's located in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the menu icon. This will open a list of options for navigating through Facebook's features. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand the menu. Within the expanded menu, you'll find an option labeled Dark Mode. Tap on it to proceed. You'll now see 3 choices: On, Off, and System. To enable dark mode, simply select On. If you prefer Facebook's appearance to match your device's system settings, switching between light and dark modes automatically, you can choose the System option instead. And that's it. You've successfully turned on dark mode in the Facebook app. Your screen will immediately switch to a darker theme, making it easier on your eyes and giving your app a sleek new look. If at any point you want to switch back to the regular light mode, just follow these same steps and select Off under the dark mode settings. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. See you next time.